welcome to the Balti Brothers YouTube channel. Today we are going to make a fish recipe. So we've got 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, we have a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of fenugreek powder, we've got a tablespoon of zira, which is cumin powder, 2 tablespoons coriander powder, teaspoon of salt, and I've got 3 heaped tablespoons of besan, that's chickpea flour. So we're going to begin with mixing all the spices together. So I've got 4 fillets of salmon. I'm going to get a lemon and squeeze the lemon juice on them first. So we're now going to mix the lemon juice with the salmon. So we've now mixed it. Now I'm going to get the salmon and we're gonna pour it into our dry mix. Nicely coat it, press it nicely, just so we've got all the spices in. So we can do the same to the rest. So we've now got our oil. We've got 1/2 cup oil. I'm going to heat it up. So our salmon is ready. We're just gonna let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes for now, just on the medium to low. Once it's cooked, we're gonna flip it over, give it another 2 to 3 minutes. As you can see, it's easily come up. I'm just going to give it a nice turn. So our salmon is now cooked, sizzling away. Now I'm going to plate it up. It's nice and crispy. Just to see if your salmon's cooked, just give it a bit of a poke and it will be cooked. And if not, you can add a bit of your sauce. And this is now ready. Thank you very much. We hope you enjoyed the recipe. Also, we've got our spice mixes. They'll be soon available on the website. And like and subscribe. Hope to see you in the next video. Thank you very much. Bye.